Hi guys, welcome to Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet. In today's episode, I am just going to do a general talking. So, it's been a long time since my last sitting in front of the camera. So you would normally see only my hands when I'm cooking. But today we're going to have a little bit of sit down and let's have a talk. Since we got a handful, since we got times on our hands during this widespread and the lockdown, especially in my country. This is Australia. We are still in the lockdown period during the, the big C name. So, what are we going to talk about today? So, I think we should discuss and have a little bit of fun facts talks about my YouTube channel. Let's see how it's been performing since it first uploaded, and we're gonna go overview and I'm going to show you insight and including analytic inside my YouTube. So let's dive in, shall we? Alright, a little bit of background. I have created this channel. It's called Jolly Kitchen with Kiet back in 2015. I think it's around April. Yeah, during that time I think it's the infancy of my channel, and I just want to teach people how to cook like proper Thai meal because I got fed up going out and order Thai meals and it just didn't come out as I expected. So I said like this, so I'm gonna cook it myself and I'm gonna teach you guys how to cook it at home and make it tasty. Alright, that's a little bit of the beginning of my channel, and now I'm gonna go to overview. So look at my channel analytic here. Alright, I'm gonna go back a little bit more because I'm talking over too much. Alright, we're gonna start from here. Alright, as you can see here, I post a few hundreds of videos already, so it's been a long time since 2015. So I got a huge collection of recipe videos, and you want to learn how to do it, you can. So feel free to look into my YouTube channel. And we're gonna have an overlook over here. This is my current page on my dashboard. So this is a YouTube studio page, right? I'm not really like fiddle with this much. So this is my current subscriber, 1,350. Thank you very much for believing in me. I am considering myself a very small, a tiny micro YouTube channel, so I didn't grow exponentially like the other channel. So look at my channel analytic today as of, because I recorded and I just want to show you. This is what the overview. So we're gonna go look at overall the 2020 since start of January. So we're gonna have overview of this year. So you see my top videos here. This has been all time top 10 views on my channel. I don't know why people are like crazy about pad Thai sauce. I didn't expect it going to explode like this, so and maybe I need to touch up on this video quality a little bit. Alright, the watch time is pretty lame and subscriber is pretty lame still, and nothing changed much since the first day I upload until now. And then we're gonna move to these views over the past 3 months, 4 months each. And this is a source type where I get all the YouTube traffic come from. Surprisingly, that suggested videos goes really high, and then not so surprised that people don't really Google my YouTube channel. Alright, now let's go have the external source. Let's see what it's coming from. Surprisingly, Google. Oh my god. Alright, Google. I tell you, Google owns YouTube, so I'm not so surprised. And then let's go see all the source suggested videos, what people watch. I don't know why. Maybe it's very nice, cool thumbnail. And all my early like 2016 recipe people still watching in 2020. Thank you. Yeah, very kind. Alright, are we gonna go to engagement? Let's see the engagement, how the viewer react with my video. Look at the top video. Oh my god, pad thai sauce, 45.1%. If I wish I could turn that video and monetize it. But we're gonna go to that later, okay? And then I am going to go down to the audience. Let's see. We're not gonna talk about this. It really hurts. It hurts me so bad. We're not gonna talk about it. So y'all come to my channel, you watch, and you just move your ass away, basically. Thank you. Alright, let's see the whole lifetime what I'm having to offer here. Look at the unsubscribed, the blue bars up there. See the graph? 95.8%. And see the yellow bar? 4.2%. How sad it is. Thank you, internet. You made me very proud. Obviously, when it comes to monetization, I won't be able to make any cent of this. There are two reasons. One, I already passed the subscriber, which is 1,000 obviously, but the view hour is have to be 4,000. Right now I'm sitting at 1,000 each hour, so it will take tons of internet dark power to push me to monetize the video. So I believe in you. Alright, in the meantime, I just show you briefly what I do on my YouTube channel. You see all the thumbnail and cover, beautiful covers like this, and you also can go visit my website, jollykitchenwithkiet.com. I have my own main name, and just look at this beautiful catalogs of food and the actual real life recipe that you can actually cook it at home during this quarantine. Okay, all right, let's waste no more time, and you go there and you know what to do. I am still a very small tiny macro YouTuber, which is comparing to if you are the intern, you probably rage quit already because you don't get paid any cent, just work for free. Okay, you basically just do all shit ton of works and put it out there, and then you get nothing, just like when you work as an internship. You are free labor for YouTube. Alright, and I'm not complaining because I didn't get paid, because I enjoy sharing my recipe with people, and I think if you enjoy, you would subscribe, and if you don't, you don't, there's nothing I can do about it. But for the moral support, maybe just click subscribe, please. Some people don't know that subscribing button is free. It's not like, unlike Netflix or Spotify or Stan or whatsoever on the internet happening right now. Subscribing to YouTube is free, in case you don't know. Okay, alright, peace, I love you, bye.
Subscribe and see more videos like this. Thank you.